I don't know what you do with an hospital which is in a blackout and the patient arrives at night. Kama tutadunga mtu sindano na mulika mwizi. That is the problem we have. So
The thousands who've upgraded to reliable solar that works anywhere in Kenya, from urban apartments to off-grid Maasai villages. That's why, after watching this, most viewers fire up their phones and contact Power Africa Solar. They're the pros turning Kenya's sun into unstoppable power. At powerafricasolar.com, snag top-tier lithium batteries, custom installs, and systems built for your life. No guesswork, just results. Call us today, Nairobi office, 079 2247397 or 07947165562. Kisumu office, 0792245589 or email us, info@powerafricasolar.com. Mention this video for a free solar installation quote